These roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing, like night into morning. I miss the open.
What up everybody, it's your girl Minimus with another video planned for you guys this week. And yeah, I got my eyebrows done. For once, they aren't real ratchet looking at the very beginning. There's nothing on them, they've just been tinted and everything, so completely makeup free right now. So I'm just going to, you would have seen what I was planning on doing in the previous clip, and I am wanting to do something a little bit more natural, a little bit more smokier than I usually do on this channel. Just to begin with, I'm going to jump in with the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to go in with White Peach, which is this shade right here. I'm going in with just a fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to apply that all over my lid as well as up towards my eyebrow. Once that's done, just with the same brush, I'm going to go in with Cobbler, which is this shade here, and I'm just going to apply that into my creases as well as just dragging that down onto my lid. Going in with the same shade, I'm just going to grab a slightly more dense, fluffy brush. I'm just going over where we just placed it. Going in with that first fluffy blending brush, I'm going to go in with Caramelize, which is the shade here. And then again, just applying that into my crease and bringing it onto the outer quarter of my lid. Again, same shade, different brush. Same technique kind of thing. Again, with that dense, fluffy blending brush, I'm going to jump in with Charmed, I'm Sure. And I'm just going to apply that into my crease, bringing that down onto the bridge of my nose, as well as onto the outer quarter of my lid as well. Then just going in with Tempting, which is this shade here. I'm going to go in with that same dense fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer V of my eye. Then just doing a quite thin line with the Meiji Look Night Out Precision eyeliner in the shade Haunted. And I'm just going to put a very thin line just above my upper lash line. It's okay if this part's a little bit messy because I'm going to go in with Tempting again, and it's just a packing brush, and I'm just going to smoke out the liner. Then just with that same fluffy brush from before, I'm going to pick up Georgia again. Sorry, Cobbler again. And I'm going to apply that onto my lid, bringing that up into my crease again. Then for mascara, I'm going to go in with the Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. And I'm just going to apply that to my top lashes. Black eyeshadow, I tell ya. After that, just going in with some eyeliner in the waterline. So this is the NYX eyeliner pencil in the shade 901 Black. And I'm just going to apply that into the waterline. Once that's done, you're done with your eye makeup, other than the bottom lash line, which I will do once I have jumped away and done my face makeup, and then I'll come back with my contour, blush, and highlight, and all of that good stuff. So I'll see you guys in a second. Bye. I am back, and as you can see, my face is now on. I barely did anything with my eyebrows, just kind of, I guess, helped shape them up just the tiniest bit. Sorry, my ear's a little bit tender. I kept ripping on it when I was putting my foundation on, so that was fun. So yeah, once that's done, I'm gonna go in with bronzer because I am looking pale AF because my eyes are dark. So going in with a fluffy contouring brush, or whatever you call these powder brush things by ELF, I am going to jump into the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Chisel to Perfection palette, and going in with the dark cocoa, which is this one here, and I'm just going to, using that brush, apply that to just my cheeks. Once that's done, just going in with the same palette and the brush that comes with the palette, I'm going to go in with the medium cocoa, which is this one here, and I'm just going to use that to contour my cheeks, my jawline, and down my nose as well. Then just going in with blush, I'm just going to go into the BH Cosmetics Nude Blush 10 Color Blush Palette. And I'm going to jump in with this one here. And just with a angled contouring brush, I'm going to apply that to just the apples of my cheeks. So this area here, I don't know if that's the apple or if that's the apple, but I call this the apple of the cheeks. And very lightly onto this part here as well. Then just going in with highlighter, I'm just going to grab the Huda Beauty Winter Highlighter Palette, and just with a fan brush, I'm going to go in with Arctic Glow, which was this one here, and just with that same fan brush, I'm going to apply that to all of the normal highlighting places, such as my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and just above my eyebrow as well. Again, just jumping back into the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, I'm going to go in with Charmed, I'm Sure, which was this shade here. And I'm just going to apply that underneath my lower lash line using the Urban Decay duo-sided brush. Then just for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to jump in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in the shade Ice Cold. And with that same brush but the opposite side, the precision side, I'm going to apply that into my inner corners of my eyes. And finally, we have gotten to a point where we can do our lipstick. So this is the BYS Metal Lips Cream Lipstick in the shade Iron Rose. It's really, really pretty, you guys. I just got it today. So I'm just going to apply this to my lips as I usually would. There you have it, my lovelies. This is the finished look. Quite possibly the most smokiest, but yet not black makeup tutorial I have done on my channel. I am currently obsessed with this look. I did it yesterday for the first time just because I was playing around with some browns and it kind of just came out like this and I loved it. So I thought I would recreate it for you guys today. Let me know how you like it down in the comments below. And if you did like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this every week on Monday, then be sure to subscribe to MiniMoss16. There'll be a little subscribe icon here if I'm not lazy enough to put it there. Alright guys, I love you all so much, and this is MiniMoss16 out. Bye guys.